Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018 guys. And we're going to show you, if you have a sound amplifier, where to find the fuse for it. Not every Ford Focus will have a sound amp, some will not, depending on the options. In the meantime guys, please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos guys to you and teach you how to fix your car. So please give a thumb up guys. Now, you need to go ahead and open your trunk. Doesn't matter if it's a hatchback or sedan, okay? And once you open the trunk, you're going to locate, okay, on the left side of the vehicle, okay, one cover, okay, this cover right here, check it out. So just pull it like that, okay, pull it out. Now we need to locate fuse number 10, okay. F10 will be the fuse for the amp. So right here you can see the little bitty numbers, but you start this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 25 amp fuse, this one right here. This is your audio amplifier fuse guys. So if you need to replace it, just pull it out, replace it with a new one. Quick video guys to show you where it is for some of you trying to fix a problem. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and see. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.